Well, what you do understand, it's a big day as per Bengal politics is concerned. Remember, at Kolkata's iconic Brigade Parade Ground today, the mass recitation, Gita recitation program is going to take place, in which it is expected that over 5 lakh people will take part. Many dignitaries or spiritual leaders, including BJP leaders representing Bengal, will take part. Now, it has triggered a slugfest, and it has come day after laying foundation program of Babri replica in Murshidabad's Beldanga by suspended TMC MLA Humayun Kabir. That has triggered a massive row at this point in time, and it's what we do understand. It's another round of slugfest between Humayun Kabir, who has just parted his way from Trinamool Congress Party after being suspended for his anti-party stand, and his own Trinamool Congress Party. Now, as of the local administrations are concerned, we know that the Master Gita recitation program has all necessary approval from the local administrations. Many leaders are joining there, and we did see a huge turnout as per this Babri replica is concerned. Yesterday was a laying foundation program here in Murshidabad, in which over 2 lakh people participated, and police were at that spot. Now it has triggered a flashpoint, and Humayun Kabir has threatened Mamata-led government and said that he will mount pressure on Trinamool Congress Party in days to come, when the assembly election is round the corner. So Humayun has decided to file candidates in upcoming assembly election, at least 137 seats, and he has claimed that he will win at least 90 seats. So what we do understand, in Murshidabad and Malda, which are being considered as minority dominated area, which considers as well as TMC's vote bank, there will be a change of way, and the politics over here will be changing. That is expected, as per the poll pundits are also predicting over this entire row. Back to you.
Right, absolutely. I think you rightly mentioned that the temperatures seem to be soaring ahead of the West Bengal Assembly elections. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing those details with us.